Imagine waking up tomorrow and deciding that your old life is over. No countdown, no waiting for Monday, no New Year's resolution. Just one decision. Most people believe change takes months, but that's only because they never fully commit for even one day. Today, we're going to build a complete life reset in the next 24 hours. And it starts with something surprisingly simple. Eliminate the noise. Turn off your phone, close every social media app, walk away from endless scrolling. For one full day, stop consuming everyone else's life and start paying attention to your own. Your brain isn't weak, it's overloaded. Every notification pulls your focus in another direction until you can't even hear your own thoughts. The moment the distractions disappear, clarity begins to return. Now grab a chair and sit alone in silence. No music, no television, no background videos. Just you. Ask yourself one question. What am I avoiding because it's uncomfortable? Don't answer quickly. Sit there until the real answer shows up. That's where growth begins. Next, walk to a mirror and look yourself in the eyes. Not for 10 seconds. Stay there for a few minutes. Then ask, if nobody could judge me, who would I become? The answer might surprise you. Maybe you've been chasing approval instead of purpose. Maybe you've been pretending to be happy while feeling completely lost. Honesty hurts at first, but it's the first step toward freedom. Now take out a notebook. Divide the page into 3 sections. In the first section, write down every habit that wastes your time. In the second, write every excuse you've been using. In the third, write every dream you've been delaying. Look at all 3 lists carefully. Then draw one giant X across the first 2 and circle the third. From this moment on, your energy belongs to your future, not your excuses. It's time to move. Set a timer for 1 hour. Spend the first 20 minutes pushing your body. Do push-ups, run outside, stretch, or exercise until you feel uncomfortable. Your body needs proof that your mind is serious. Spend the next 20 minutes writing every thought inside your head. Don't worry about grammar or organization. Empty everything onto the page. Finally, spend the last 20 minutes sitting quietly and breathing. No phone, no interruptions. Just stillness. Most people have never experienced 20 uninterrupted minutes alone with themselves. That's exactly why they never discover who they really are. As evening arrives, clean one small part of your environment. Your desk, your room, your backpack, your workspace. External order creates internal focus. Every object you organize becomes a reminder that your life is under your control again. Before going to sleep, stand in front of the mirror one last time. This time, don't criticize yourself. Don't think about yesterday's mistakes. Simply say, I kept my promise today. That sentence matters because confidence isn't created by motivation. Confidence is created every time your actions match your words. Here's the biggest lesson. Your life rarely changes because of one giant event. It changes because of one honest decision, followed by one disciplined action, and then another. Today isn't about becoming perfect. It's about proving that you're capable of leading yourself. One focused day won't solve every problem, but it can destroy years of procrastination and become the day your comeback begins. So when this video ends, don't save it for later. Don't tell yourself you'll start tomorrow. Stand up, take the first step, and let today become the day you stopped making excuses and finally started building the life you deserve.